In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete statuses on Clickup, a useful task management tool that helps organize and streamline your workflow. Whether you're tidying up a project or making changes for more efficient task management, removing unnecessary statuses can be an important part of this process. Let's get started by navigating to Clickup, which, if you're not already familiar, is a versatile platform known as the Everything app for work. It's ideal for tracking tasks and projects, making it easier to collaborate and keep organized. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will guide you to the next step of entering your login credentials. If you're someone who prefers streamlined logging in and you've previously linked your Clickup account with Google, you can make use of the Google sign-in feature. Simply select the Sign in with Google option. This should take you to a screen where you can choose your desired Google account. Just click on the account linked to your Clickup and you'll be seamlessly logged in. Once you find yourself on the Clickup dashboard, locate the specific task or project where you wish to modify the statuses. Here you'll notice a circular icon next to each task. This icon is pretty handy. It allows you to easily manage and adjust various settings related to your tasks. Click on this circle icon for the task you're working on, then look for a settings icon, usually resembling a gear. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with further options for managing your task. Now within this settings panel, keep an eye out for an icon with 3 vertical dots. These dots are a common navigational feature in many online apps, often leading to more detailed settings or advanced options. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal an array of additional actions. Now the moment you've been waiting for, among the list of actions, you should see an option labeled Delete Status. By selecting this, you'll be prompted to confirm that you indeed want to delete the status. Often platforms like Clickup will ask for confirmation to prevent accidental deletions, so be sure to review and confirm your choice carefully. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a status on Clickup. Remember, effective task management is key to productivity. Regularly cleaning up your task statuses can help maintain a clutter-free workspace and keep your projects running smoothly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy organizing with Clickup.